Hi friends, it's Liz here. Today I'm going to be showing you my latest KoKorosa Studio items and some of the projects that I have made with them. As always, I will have coupon code details in the description box below, and check out my blog as well for more details. And I hope you enjoy my share. Let me know which of the projects I make is your favorite. Leave a comment below. Let's get started. Today I have the KoKorosa Studio share my haul for the items I'm going to show you today. So three of the pieces that I received are the words, and these are beautiful, sweet, and together. I absolutely love how these come out. I will have everything linked, of course, in the description box below. I'm going to show you what I've done with some of the pieces. So this one is the first one that I did. And I made sort of like a page topper slash bag topper. I have shown you similar ones before where I added it to a page, but you could see just how nice that would look. And I did cut it out in black cardstock because I thought it just, you know, it just makes it look like it stands out more. I also used a heart here, which I will show you soon, which is part of another set coming up right now, which is this one here. So you have 3 hearts with the little squiggly lines, and then I'm going to show you what that looks like in a moment here. And I had so much fun with these pieces. So anyways, I'll just put this one aside here so you can see. So the hearts, you've got the main design, and then it also pops out the frame around it, as you can see there. And I'm just showing you the different colors so you can see you know, what it looks like with the different colors. So you've got your sort of border of the heart, and then you also have your actual little heart, and all 3 of them punch out the little border, and they punch out the die cut out the little heart. So I thought that was so adorable. So of course, like I said, I used a heart on this one, and I'll show you another one here. There's a heart there, and there again is the word sweet. I did punch this one out in like that gorgeous glittery cardstock. The other one I have is this bow. Now they call it butterfly bow. I will link that name and the item below. So it looks like this. Okay, so it's 2 pieces. And it actually does look like a butterfly. Now, what I've seen people do is they just sort of stack one on top of the other. I don't want to forget that I haven't shown you this one yet. So you see them here, right? And so what I've seen them do is they sort of stack this one on top of that one. And that's just how they leave it. But I wanted to fold it over because I thought it actually looked like a butterfly bow. So I folded it over, and then I added this piece to the back, as you can see there. And I think it just looks nicer this way. I don't know. So anyways, this is just like a, you know, a nice little card that I just made. I'll put that aside there. And then I've got a little journal pocket here. Or it could be like a library pocket. So I've got 2 embellishments here, and then enjoy the moment. And the enjoy the moment part, I'll start with that first. It's these ones that I had shown you. So it's all of these, and I just love how cute they die cut out. So I'll show you. They're all the little words here. Embrace each day. I just made them in different colors, different pink tones. Love your life. And you can just see that it sort of embosses the word onto the paper. I hope you can see it. I'm going to bring it closer. So you can see how it embosses, and then it already has the little, you know, tails for the flag. So I thought that was super adorable. So anyways, I used one of those here. And then I'll show you where else I've used them. Aha. So I made these cute little just banner embellishments, and I used them right there. So that's create, and that's be grateful. And I've seen many ladies do these, which is they kind of layer them and add a little bit of something in the center. You can add like a little bit of fabric or lace, and I think it just gives it a nice layering effect. So of course these are like, you know, you can add them to the top of the page. You can make them into little paper clips, but I just thought it was super cute, and I just really love how these little sentiments punch out. So that's that part there. Oh, the butterflies. This one was super interesting. So it's all these butterflies, and there are so many, my friends. So I've punched them out in a couple of different colors. So this one's just like a green color, and then this one is like a multicolor one. Hope you can see it. And the butterflies, it actually like gives you so many of those tiny little butterflies and the larger ones. So you can just see I've got the green ones here, and then I've got a few of the colored ones. So of course, you know, you can use the negative of it and then the little butterflies as well. I thought that was so adorable. So I'll show you how I've used those. Super, super cute. So I have a tag that I made here. And then here's the little butterflies. And what I did is I kind of layered them. So there's like 3. This one just has 2, but there's like almost 3 in each layer. This one again is the florals, which I'm about to show you now since I have that here. So this is the florals, and this one has quite a lot in it. It comes like this, and so you've got all these like flowers plus the little greenery. I kept some of them together because I figured I'll be when I die cut, I'll be using the same pieces over and over. So I'll show you. Here's the florals. Okay, so you get so many of the flowers. And then I did use some of them. Of course, I punched them out in some of the colors. And then these are all the little greeneries. Now these ones here, they just have like a little bit of embossing on them. And then the other ones, they come right out. So you can see how they've been sort of layered here. And then the flower, I layered like 4 pieces of the flower. And then that center one, which I think is just adorable. It just finishes it off. So that's basically where this flower came in. And then I had shown you here how I have the greens, the leaves on that as well. So I thought that was just super cute. Okay, so there's that one. The next one, I just used a little bit of it, is like this bee themed one. And you can see it here. So you have the frame, and then you have the word be happy. You've got a little bee, and then a bunch of different pieces, as you can see here. I'm just trying to put that back. You've got the little honey pot, the little bee, the flowers. So there's like a flower punch out as well. And then like a little honeycomb. Now I did use some of the pieces in this little card that I just made. So it says be happy. And then you've got your little honey pot there. And then it actually, you get a bunch of these little hexagons. I guess that's what they're called. And I just kind of used them across to layer them. And then for the be happy part, which is be and happy, which is right here, what I did is I just punched it out twice so it can have a little bit of shadow. I thought that was really cute. I'll definitely be using this one more maybe in later projects, but at this point I was just, you know, making so many things. This one, I don't know. So it's just this part right here, which is like the stitched hearts, and it just gives you an outline. So it doesn't punch out your page. Hope you can see that. It just gives you like a stitched outline. So I thought that I would mention that one. Oh yes, and another one here. So I just did like an embellishment cluster. I have a video showing you how I make these, like super easy, just, you know, gathering your leftover scrap pieces of paper and, you know, doilies, and sometimes I use fabric, etc. So you just kind of put them together. And so I thought I would add the together part to this embellishment because it can go on a page, you know, on top of a journal page, or it can be an embellishment on a card, etc. So that's another one of the ones that I used for the word. And then the last one that I have, my friends, which is super cute. It's like this little birthday themed one. So you've got like a little hat, a cupcake, a little gift, that sort of thing. And this is how they come out. So it's just the outlines of some of them. I did end up paper piecing some of them together to give them a little bit more like depth. You've got the cute little balloon. This one here, the little mask, you have the outline of the mask, and then you've got the actual little mask itself. You've got this little circle, a little banner, super adorable. So I'll show you quickly what I made with that one. Just made a little birthday card. Now the background here, have a sweet birthday, is from Digital Collage Club. Tina has a little set of birthday card embellishments like this, and I thought I would use one here because it just went perfect. I added the balloons from the dice, and then the hat here, as you can see, it just sort of gives you the outline, and so I just did it in 2 different colors and added it back in so you could have like a full little hat. And then the cupcake, I thought it was just adorable, so I just added that there, and that's just a simple little card, but I think it's perfect. It's something super easy that you can do if you've got a little birthday. Just have a few ready to go. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the share, my friends. I just wanted to show you the little bow again. I had so much fun playing with these pieces. I will leave the discount code in the description box below. I will be showing you more projects, you know, probably in the near future where I have used some of the pieces. And please remember to check out my shop as well. I've got some new items in there that you might be interested in. And as always, questions, comments, leave them below. Let me know which project you liked the best from the ones that I shared with you. I really had fun putting them together, so I don't really have a favorite right now, but I'll definitely be making many, many more as I get more inspired to keep creating with these pieces. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.